So good day guys and welcome back to the channel. To those of you that are yet to subscribe to the channel, be it you are new and you've not yet subscribed, guys make sure you do also click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so that once we drop one or two updates, you will not miss out on any single updates. You will find a link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So let's see what we are going to be expecting for the day on our GBPJPY. So guys, before we go ahead to predict what market will be doing for the day on our GBPJPY, remember these two rules of trading. First rule of trading, know your trend. Second rule of trading, trade with the trend. So what can we say our trend is on our GBP JPY? You can clearly see, especially when you zoom it out, you can clearly see that GBP JPY is in an uptrend move. We are very much in an uptrend move. This is very much bullish, right? Market is on an uptrend move. We are very much bullish. So this is one of the reasons why you need to know your trend. Now we are going to trade with the trend. So what can we say the trend is? So since our trend is an uptrend move, we need to look for a buy. So now this is the movement right here on our daily time frame. Guys, understand this movement. Let's say this is the high, pullback level, right? Higher low. Our higher high, pullback level, which is the higher low. Now with this moment, we will be expecting market to push until it is able to completely form a new higher high, thereby completely taking out this high. So we will be expecting a bullish move on the GBPJPY. So we should expect that GBPJPY to push up and completely take out this previous higher high level, previous higher high level, thereby forming a new higher high. So guys, whatever you would want to be doing on your GBPJPY, you would want to be going in for the buy. A bullish move for the day is what we are going to be expecting. Now, if there will be any changes to this prediction, I'll make sure I do the updates and let you guys know. Make sure you click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram. You will find a link to the Telegram channel in the comment section.